that's the original locks.
Ask them.
When they're running, they might have to go
That's true.
up to the
Yeah.
other one.
Yeah.
Because they'll be 200 years old.
Mhm.
I mean, they look old, but
Yeah. Wood could very well have been replaced over the years.
yeah.
Even if it's painted, it could get
Yeah.
weather corroded
It
and
could,
stuff.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I wonder if the people that finished it in 1801 ever thought that by 2011 people would still be using
Can't
it.
imagine they would have thought that far.
You just don't think that far away, do you?
Mhm.
It's very romantic. Oh, I'd love to be maybe not on today's weather, but
Yeah.
nice sunny
Nice
day.
boat.
I haven't been to anything nice. Oh.
Do you take this out in the ocean? No, I didn't hear me. You ever take this out in the ocean? He's busy. Yeah.
We agreed with you anyway.
Right.
Oh my goodness, there's a long way to go till that equals that. How much these boats must be amazing.
I'm wondering, this guy might not be from the people who own the boat. He might be like a local, like these guys, he might be hired to assist with this stuff.
I think it's usually the local people do it though.
No, this guy, the way
Think
he's dressed
so?
and stuff, I have a feeling he's not from the people with the boat. No, I could be wrong. Yeah.
There's quite a performance going on
Yeah.
these stretch of water, isn't it? It is 9 miles.